and today we're going to be doing Dust 2 for Dummies. Now, I know a lot of people might be watching this and be like, oh, we already know this is the most played ever. I know it is, but there's some new people, or maybe just want to get into competitive and want to know as much as you could, or maybe just don't know what callouts, like I used to not be able to. So yeah, just gonna do this because most likely everybody knows, and see what we begin. This will be just callouts and hiding spots. Tomorrow I might do smokes and flashes for this map and Inferno because it's probably gonna be short, so might as well do 2 for 1, right? And see when the video begins. See you then. Okay, so here we are inside the T spawn, which is the terrorist spawn. This is where terrorists will spawn in, and there's 2 things to this. When you spawn in, sometimes you might have a clump like right here-ish, and that will be known as a B spawn, and most likely you'll go B. Any other time it'll probably be like all spread out, or might be more towards here and all. And yeah, so we're gonna start off by guns B. And this area here has like no general area, no general name. It's not really called much. And this here is outside tons. This area all out here and all. And then we go inside tons. Tons is short for tunnel. Some people might say tunnel, some people might say tons. Who knows? Now So here are many camping spots. Most of these are for saving. Like anywhere in T-spawn is mostly saving. You can be sitting here in this little cubby, here, or in that corner there, or that corner like this, and like this. This one not really common because your shoulder will peek out and you can't really see people as they can see you. We're going to head to B first. Then we also have here, or anywhere in between these pillars, back there, and sometimes here, and this little area. Some people like to sit here because you can kind of catch people that ain't there and you're pretty protected from back there. You have right here, not very much, but you have there. This is like the most common one I know of. You just sit right here. The terrorists might camp back here on this side or this side. And also, yeah, run. You might have a guy who has an op sitting right here in between these barrels. And you also have somebody saving here, peeking there, up there, you know, the whole yards. Then we come into here. Be careful of these pillars. Somebody could be like hiding like right there, right here. Sometimes even somebody will sit here. And right here you'll sit. And this is a common angle to watch lower tons. Never sit right here because if you stand or even crouch, they'll see your feet before you see them. So that's pretty bad. You can sit up here, kind of catch anybody on cat. Sit back here, catch anybody coming to lower to upper. Either side of these boxes, because a CT might sit here while and then like reload and all that. And anywhere behind mid doors, like right here, here, and I'll get to the other side once we get through B. And then we come through here again. Sometimes you have CT who's just kind of peeking up here and like watching. And back here you'll have somebody kind of watching lower at a farther angle. Then again you have close left or close right. And fence too. And in car. I remember one game I was playing, I sat right here and literally the entire team walked past me. Every single one of them. And I think it was twice for all of them. Then I started shooting, then I died. Pretty stupid move, but you know. Very rarely you'll have somebody sitting right here. You'll have somebody with an op camping here, watching window, peeking up. Be careful of this gap here, because they'll be able to see you. So kind of like stay right back here. Sometimes you have an op peeking this way. You also have somebody maybe sitting here. I never see anybody, but you know. And somebody might sit up here. Harder to hit because this box you can't shoot through. And I've got one major spot. If you go up here. Oh, that's not how you jump. And again, you have somebody sitting up there. I don't feel like doing it. You might have somebody camp around here, but you kind of have to be careful because somebody could shoot you. Or even right here, but you just have to be careful of your gun sticking out. A lot of times, terrorists might watch right here because you can easily get window, deuce, crack. And if they're watching bomb by themselves, they might go like that because you can hear them go in between mid. And this spot's very common. You have somebody sitting here to like kind of watch mid and all, you know, jump up. And sometimes they'll just sit here, wait till you get really close and then start shooting you. You might have someone on scaffolding shooting. And common spot will be right here with an op because you can see through smoke if somebody smokes right there. You can kind of shoot through it. You'll have somebody here watching terrorists. Maybe right here just watching mid in general and kind of listening to cat bit. You can have behind this box, or even behind this box. And you also gotta be careful. right up here somebody might sit, and might even go onto this box right here. So be careful of those spots. Anywhere in CT really, because you can sit there, wait for the flankers there, you can shoot up there while you wait, or sit here, wait for somebody to come through there. You have booster or dumpster. I know I like to play right here because I can jump up and shoot people. I was playing today and I got a deagle kill and I shot the guy right in the head as I jumped up. It was pretty cool. Very rarely you have this spot, and even more rare you have this spot. It's easy to spot, but sometimes you'll run past it and not even realize it. And then we'll have all of car. Then you have an operator sitting here watching pit. We're on goose and occasionally peeking a cat. You'll have somebody maybe sitting behind these barrels or the liquor barrels things. Don't know exactly what they're called. Maybe up here. Maybe in here, kind of facing towards the wall because you got a lot of cover. Be careful of this spot. It's hard to shoot and hard to hit, so. And you might have an opper sitting right here and watching there, and they just dropped it down to CT. You'll have terrorists trying to get sight right here. Maybe watch out for a dumpster a bit and shoot, you know. Then a lot of times you have somebody camping here or up there. You can get boosted up there. Or close to here. Then you'll have people sitting here. Oh, I forgot to show you where people camp here. Sometimes you have them camping back here, or here, or even right here. You can shoot. And yeah, you have maybe terrorists sitting here, peeking mid a bit, on headshot. And cat, somebody behind here. You won't really camp here for saving, just kind of hold mid. Back here, and back here. This one doesn't give you as much cover as this one. Sometimes people will hide in suicide like this, or very commonly this way. And you come through here. You might have somebody sitting here or up here. You'll most likely have an operator that's watching the cracks here, trying to shoot you through. And a very good spot that's overlooked is right here. I know I sat here a couple times and the people just ran right past me. I even Zeused a couple people that way. And back here's another spot. Then we come to a long. Usually CT will sit here, but you gotta be careful of this. You can get shot from it. I know I died a couple times that way. Sometimes they'll even throw a grenade in here and try to blow you up. Back here you'll have somebody too. And sometimes people might get boosted into right there, because you can sit up there. And some people camp behind here. Camp here. This is like a very common spot for saving, because you could watch anybody trying to come into here or trying like just run past. Somebody might get boosted onto a dumpster and sit there. You might have a guy sitting here, because if you sit here, you'll see people's guns before they see you, and you could get the surprise attack on them. Anywhere on the side of pit, in pit as well. Anywhere on plat, pit plat, the tongue twister. You might have somebody sitting here, or even right here. Then we come up to here, and I think that covers all of it. And be careful if you're coming up here, because somebody might just sit here and be patient. So yeah, and make sure to smoke off right here, because there's a couple of ways you can do it. You can like throw it and hit in between those windows. You can just come by here and kind of toss it, and it'll bounce off the wall. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy another map callouts for nubs or dummies or whatever you want to call it. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.